I'm excited.
I hope it's Jiu-Jitsu.
Good morning, class. Today, as usual, we will start off with some Jiu-Jitsu. So, Sam and Nate, you guys are together. I'm gonna work with Max.
Suspected. You're teaching Jiu-Jitsu. Come down with me to my office.
Work on your sneaky Daves.
Miss Jenny, you know the rules. No Jiu-Jitsu allowed.
What do you mean? I wasn't doing any Jiu-Jitsu. You have no proof, Mr. Tyrion.
Miss Jenny, how do you do sneaky days again?
Aha! You're fired.
Good morning, Wax. Let's learn how to make a huge triangle and colors. Who could do a huge triangle? Either holding my knee.
You say.
No. It's like this. Here, here, and here. A huge one. This color.
Think Nate said it.
Pink. Pink? No. That is rose. What's this color? You. Blue. No. It's turquoise. What color is this?
Attention all staff and students. There is a lockdown. Please hide immediately.
Hi! Who are you?
I am the Green Mask Monster. Now I have come to take over the kids.
You can't take over us.
Why not?
We know Jiu-Jitsu. 100 kilo kids. Magnify. Side control.
Okay, I want to congratulate these 3 kids for saving the school from the monster. And we have some bad news. Miss Charlie, please come up. No, over here. No, down there. I have some bad news for you. You're fired. Miss Jenny, please come up. You're rehired. And Jiu-Jitsu is now and for on allowed in this school.